Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy, classic, no-bake Southern dessert. It's banana pudding.
As we call it, nanner pudding.
2 cups of whole milk.
1 cup of whole milk.
1 can of sweetened condensed milk.
Half a can of milk on steroids.
Yes.
Get it all in there.
Getting it all in there.
We're adding in 1 packet of instant pudding.
What do I do if I don't have that?
If you want to make your own pudding from scratch, you can totally do that. I have directions for that on the blog post.
Usually I don't like to go to a second digital location when I'm watching a cooking tutorial, but this one's pretty easy. Combine a cup of milk, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir that till thick. Sorry the steam is hitting your face. And then finish it off with a splash of vanilla.
Nice job, team.
Now we're gonna whisk this until combined.
Add it into the previous mixture.
Whisk, whisk, whisk.
Whisk, whisk, whisk.
Time to chill in the fridge for about 5 minutes.
Let it set in the fridge for 5 minutes.
Now we're gonna whip up 2 cups of heavy cream along with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
1 cup of cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 splash of dessert MSG. Whipped cream takes a while to beat, so I'm just gonna go beat it on the couch.
I like to finish my cream off by hand, so just...
Finishing my cream off by hand has been my only option for the past 23 years.
Let's do a little bit of prep work with our bananas.
It's not a real nanner pudding unless we got nanners in it.
Slice, slice, slice.
Slice, slice, slice. I'm gonna wrap them up while we deal with the pudding.
Fold the whipped cream into our set custard, so add it in.
Fold the whipped cream into the not so set custard.
Today I'm using vanilla wafers.
I just found in my freezer the apple pie dough from the McDonald's video. I'm just gonna slice them up and bake them.
This is ready to assemble now. I'm gonna break out my trifle dish.
Once everything is ready to assemble, I'm gonna take out my double insulated glass mug.
1 layer of cookies.
1 layer of the week-old pie dough.
1/4 of the mixture.
1/4 of the mixture.
And then just smooth out a layer with a spatula.
I don't think it needs any smoothing,
Add another layer of cookies on top of this.
but I only have 4 pieces left. I'll just do the bananas first then. We gotta cut more because they all sank to the bottom.
Another 1/4 of your pudding.
Another layer of pudding, put the pie crust on there, and then top it off with bananas.
If you're wondering, is something missing? Yes, you're missing a mound of whipped cream on top.
Besides the sense of fulfillment in life, I'm also missing a mound of whipped cream on top. But all that can be substituted with my brand new Trader Joe's chocolate.
Jeez, okay.
You can eat this right now like I'll be doing, or you can let it set up and even have it overnight.
I don't feel like soup right now, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit.
2,000 years later.
Alright, it's been 2 hours. It should be set by now. Let's check. I mean, we still gotta taste it. When life gives you custard soup, you make ice cream. I'm gonna put it in the freezer and stir it every 15 minutes. It's officially nighttime. When everybody's asleep, I'm gonna check on the consistency. Alright, we're getting there. I think 1 more hour should do. I think this is it. Soft serve consistency. Let's give it a taste. Kinda tastes like Chunky Monkey from Ben & Jerry's, but better. I'm gonna consider this ice cream attempt a success. Making ice cream by hand is very time consuming. Just to give you some perspective, this is what time it is right now. I have to wake up in less than 2 hours. Alright, thank you.